Look at it. Look at it, mama, man. Look at it.
Hi guys. So for this video, I'm actually lock off the fan and I'm gonna turn on the AC. I know it's a current enough current me have to go burn just to give in the video here because it's gonna be too loud inside. So with the fan, so you see my things me have to do for you? Look here. My room is a mess. Is your stair really bad? I have laundry on the bed. I'm smiling because I'm looking at one of my old videos. One of my old videos when I was in Atlanta. My auntie was nice, you know? My auntie was nice, bad. Alright guys, so let's focus though on what we're doing tonight because I want to make sure I have a video to upload tomorrow when I will be out. So tomorrow I'm gonna give you a rundown of what's going on for tomorrow. I just showered. I'm gonna want to have my pajamas, so I'm gonna just literally just found a shorts and the top will come to my hand the quickest, the fastest. So yeah, so basically tomorrow, what's going on for tomorrow? Did I say if you're new, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe. I love you guys so much. I appreciate the support so much. Did my face dry? I do my face. I didn't do my skin routine as yet, and yes, I'm doing a skin routine. Yeah, you know, one thing at a time. So tomorrow I am actually going to the government school. I am my school, the school where I work. I'm actually going tomorrow. Yeah, so my rundown. I mean, I said my dear go back government place. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to the school that I work because you know school is almost open and I want to transform my class. When I say transform, I don't mean change up the charts, organize charts. I mean transform. This is me acting out, seriously. I'm gonna see. I'm going to do a video. The class, it doesn't look here. Serious something I talk about. Serious something I talk about. My class, Chichi and them down, the children rusty, one paint, everything is just, it's just the condition out of 10, it is 1 out of 10. And it wasn't during my year, it's just when the government have them old school there and the old school, you know, do it time and they won't refurbish. So I'm going to see how best I can refurbish my class out of my own pocket. So I won't be able to be home tomorrow to do a video to edit. So anything I have to do, I have to do it from tonight. So what I want to do is I want to section off my class because my class is currently parted by chalkboard. And then my mother and time class are parted by chalkboard. When I hear chalkboard school of Jamaica, I'm not joke business. You hear? Chalkboard parted off. The noise that comes over from the next class to my class, and especially if I'm teaching and the next teacher is teaching, it's unbearable. I can't deal with it. I need to have my personal space. As you guys heard me talk about that I do my desk and everything. I want to be able to set up my desk and not every morning I have to go pack it out again. I want to be able to be in a space that reminds me of something that looks like something from Pinterest. So if you don't ever mention Pinterest, I know it's a serious thing me talk about. So tomorrow it's going to be evaluated to see what I need to part it off, and tomorrow as well as that while that is being done, I am going to start painting. So I'm going to scratch down the old paint. I think I needed a scrub brush. I don't have one of that, but I'm going to do that, as well as I'm going to treat the wood or the boards that are infected by termites. All of the ceiling infected by termites. Kind of concrete ceiling. I serious, I'm telling you, some don't know how me I do about the ceiling, but I'm going to paint my ceiling. Open that, the paint will kind of tone down upon the chichi that is eating down the ceiling. Let me tell you, it's a lot. If I should really stop and say, oh, this, that, I really wouldn't do anything. To be honest, if I really to stop and say, I'm not getting this help, who this, who I do that, nobody know, I really wouldn't do nothing. But I'm just going to do it. So today I went and I checked on, I'm going to part it out. I wanted to do it the thin, because it's not a permanent thing. Can't do a permanent thing because of government place. So the thin ply, I checked on it today on the price for it at the hardware. It was 3,000 something for a sheet, and I checked on Solitex. The Solitex was 2,100 and something. So I'm like, it's cheaper to get Solitex over the ply, because as I said, it's not a permanent structure. It's just a structure to last for the year, to see what comes after. What anything comes after this year, I can just take it down regardless. No, I'm not take it down. I don't know why I said that. I'm not going to take it down. Me taking it down would be like being selfish, and you know, if I'm supposed to endeavor in other things, why would I take it down? So I'm not gonna take it down. I didn't know why I said that, but you know, just to me benefit this year. I don't care who will benefit after. Sometimes we have to do things so people come and benefit. Sometimes we have to do things so other people say things can be done. And me just like to be spontaneous. And if you're not listening, guys, the rest of this year that is remaining, it has just been, you know, done on me to just step up more for myself. So I really have to step up more for myself. So I'm going to fix up my class. I'm going to repaint. I'm going to remodel. I'm going to paint my decks them. I'm going to paint my chair them where we're rusty. I'm going everything. And I did a whole team you purchase last night for things like, for make it look like the Pinterest class. I have a next team you purchase to do. I saw this refrigerator on Amazon. I'm going to leave the picture over here. And I want to get one of those mini fridge to put in my class. So I can cool little things, like, you know, if I bring my fruits and whatever. So yeah. So basically tonight I have, yeah, so I'm gonna get the dress a while. The dress what I'm gonna get the idea of why I'm not gonna be available tomorrow. So I'm gonna do the video from tonight. And yeah. But I'm kinda in the mood to have laundry to put away from. I can't even talk to tell you how embarrassed I would be. Like, that's not like me. My house not in the condition for the summer, like home I really want it to be. But the living room, it's almost there, and the tour will be on YouTube before school start back. Thank God. Finally can done something in my house to give, you know, other than the guest room. Got the guest room other show now. Yeah. So I bought this basket, Creative Hearts basket. It was $750 and 700 plus, and I bought it. I really wish I had something with cover. However, it have to go do. I bought it for my husband's part of the closet, because I don't know why man stay so. Them don't know if it's still organized. They know if me fix them dash. So me I try to keep the man intact. You understand? So school I start back, and babe has an issue with socks every single morning. Me not joke. Every single morning he has an issue with socks. So his wife went ahead and bought, cause me don't know what more to do, because his socks, to be honest, we kind of limit on jar space. So the jar them full up, and I think I'm gonna do that tonight. So I'm gonna kind of empty one jar, take out things that I now wear. We can't fit me, I just I want to use it for other things. So for his closet though, for his socks, I'm going to put the socks them in this and put them in the closet. So every time he's ready, he just go and take them out. And when laundry is done, he just roll them up together and put them in there. So yeah. So the basket is here and some of his socks is here. So I'm going to pair them basically and then just throw them in the basket.
Walk that run that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down.
Guys, so the socks, they are sorted out. I don't think this is all of his socks because them just all over the place, to be honest. I don't think this is all of his socks, God knows. However, I'm just going to put this away in the closet so that whenever I find the others, then I'll just literally just throw them in there. You have some bad color one, I'm gonna dash them away. Anything have a bad color, I'm gonna dash them away. No, can't work. You know what I'm do? Play football in them, and then funny play football and then that's it, because it don't make no sense. Them do and you play football on the White Sox and people. Yes, babe, you me a talk. I can't get up about it. Wanna see you work your body. My space to show that part of the closet, because that's his private business. So yeah. However, I'll show you guys my side when we get to my side of the closet. I want to put away the underwear, so go and do that, and then yeah. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys this. So do you buy, alright, I'm gonna buy roadside clothes, but I bought these on the roadside. So how that sound? Yeah, I don't buy clothes itself on the roadside. Last year I purchased these tops in Sinclair's. I think they were $200 for one. However, it's been a while since I've been to Sinclair's. But the last time I went to Sinclair's, they did have these tops. So while I was on the road in Linstead one day, was it yesterday? Yeah, I saw a lady selling these underblows. I have about 5 of them from last year, but some of them the condition and can't go back. The white ones spoil. Some of them, you know, you want new things, and as I said, some of them, see, I have one here for example, like the straps are old. Yeah, so like the colored one, like that pink one, I wear it on the blouse tops that like have a similar shade, and I always wear under blouse that, you know, under my clothing. So I saw a lady selling them. She sold them $250 for one, which is not bad. Last year to this year, $50 extra. Probably Sinclair that selling for $400. Who to tell? I don't even know. But about 4 of them, you must have under blouse. Like whether you wear it every day, cause my colleagues at work, Jackson, they say, why am I always about smart clothes if me not at? Cause I can't go to work without wearing my stocking. Can't go to work without having underblouse. That's just me. After having my stocking, after having underblouse, it's me just feel undressed. That is something I always have to have, those two things. So I was saying that I should have purchased more than one of the white, but I bought a white top the other day. It was $650, similar but just different material. $650. I mean, it for $250. So I got a white. I got navy blue, a black, which is a must. Should I have get 2 black and 2 white? Can't have too much. Sometimes you can't find them either. And I got a red. Sometimes how I wear them too as well, if I have like this jacket that I feel like I want to wear and I don't have like a blouse that I really want to wear inside, I just put on this, tuck it into my pants, jacket over that, and I'm good to go. In that sense, I would wear under blouse because then definitely that would be too much clothes, you know, you can't really put an underneath blouse under these. So I paid that $1,000 so far, which is not bad. What I'm going to do now though, I'm going to go into my side of the closet. So I'm going to really show you because alright guys, so kind of work something out. I'm here. So this is my closet, my side of the closet. You guys can see everything because of how we are structured. I can't even push it back. So I have an upper section. Alright, my character. I have upper section up there and I have lower section down here. Don't mind the discolored door. I need to paint it. If you guys listen and if you know what vlogs are gone, it's the oil paint change the color of the door. The oil paint change the color of the door. So it turned the door into, you guys know oil paint, right? It turned the door into the color there. Instead of give it that ugly color, yes, that's what it did. So that is why it looks like that. Anyways, meet at the matter because it's getting late. I'm soon want to see if I'm going to edit the video before night end. So I want to paint the closet, repaint it and everything, because if you guys remembered, we actually made it. It not come like this, so we make it in the house because there was no closet. So alright, so I have the blouse that I've been telling about. So everybody have one. See it here. I have a few stuff that does not fit. As I said last year, I purchased some stuff in large. So this is large. What size is this one? These two are large. The larger fit, but it's really tight. This large fit, but really tight. And then this style underneath it. The one here, it not fit none at all. It does not fit any at all. Not fit none at all. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it not fit. So yeah. When I just did the closet, it was so organized. Like I only had blazers and jackets. Alright, see that with the top. I only had blazers and jackets down here. But at the end of my closet, so chamba it and put the things in anyway. Feel like throw them. It was so organized. I only had black hangers up here, the blazers down there, the hat. They were. Can't believe that right now, yeah. This top is another black sheen top that I purchased. So the agenda for tonight is to put up the new sheen tops. Alright, jacket don't belong here, so.
Acting real nice. You see us on the floor, you've been watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Wanna see you work your body. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. You see us on the floor, real nice. You see us on the floor, you've been watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Wanna see you work your body. You see us on the floor.
You know, long me I shy away from my closet because I know it's a reach a stage now where it just out of it, like you well organized, you well sort out. But so you go. what do you do when it's back to school time? Like, how you prepare yourself? How do you prepare yourself? Like, when I was a student going to college, I was so excited. I was so excited for school to open back, to go meet my friends, to just go. I always have new things. I just want to put on my new clothes, them. Want to put on my new shoes, my new bag, and always, I come from foreign. Foreign always see me every summer, whether I'm at work or vacay. Yeah. So I am always excited to just come back to Jamaica, see my friends and all of that. But being an adult, and this year I didn't travel this year because I had another vacation to do, but things kind of happen late. I want to get to the vacation there, but yeah, wait for you. Look here. Anyways, that's the reason why I'm never gonna find this summer, because of that. The reason I don't know I'll find out later on in the year. Yes. So that's why I'm never travel this summer, and we did a binge watch ticket them so much, and I'm like, listen, but me not make it be a burden. But as me say, excited reasons why I'm not go. Like, even though I'm not go, I'm still excited about what is supposed to happen for the rest of the year. So I have two. I don't have plastic. Oh yes, but I'm not go change it tonight. Two blouses on this because I short part. Guys, I was asking, what do you guys do? What do you like as a teacher for back to school? I don't like this. I bum rush me and go on with me on different levels. Like, I wish I was still being. I wish I was a student going to school, but being paid. Honestly, I'm a sports bra, actually, not my actual bra, which I'm still bra. But I wish I was a student going to school, but being paid, bro. That's what I wish for. That's what I actually wish for. But, you know, back to school, approaching, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to start up my stuff then, because I can't do nothing about it. I'm a job, I can't do nothing about it. So I'm going to start up my stuff then, make sure we have outfits, make sure that we have tops to wear, my order my stuff then, make sure I have my materials. Then when I'm gonna have everything now, I'm gonna try to get like the stuff then that I would really want to start off with, and then after I will get the others. Remember, if you're interested and if you're willing, you can always visit my Amazon wish list and purchase something to contribute to my class. Yeah, so let's just start myself to prepare my stuff them, make sure my clothes are in order, you know, just make sure everything intact, because everything just come down fast, just a bomb rush the thing fast, and they went up there so. And as I say, I want to be ready, I want to be prepared, you know. But second, school business. What I did originally for my closet, I had all my beige hangers, the beige and the rose gold ones down here, and I had the black and silver, and a blue and rose gold two hanger. They're all velvet, and if you look a plastic one them, soon throw them out or give them and get some more velvet. Cause them not care. Yeah, I'm not being petty or being bitter. I just say that some men stay like they not care. Like, you know, you not care. Like when we as women we care about we stuff, how things look, men just don't care. So we're gonna use these and I'm going to put some of the nude tops on hanger in the up here. My short I actually need to get some for you because I have one more. I have orders coming in, but one of the other have blouse and make actually need need to put this stuff up.
Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it.
Like get more space. What I do most of the time, like if I have similar styles, I put similar styles on one rack. So like for this now, I have a lot of black, so I put all black related stuff on like one hanger. Makes sense, that's true. So like every time me know in my head, so like if me come near me, I look for like a black top. Me go through this one hanger, and me know they have like 4 black tops on it. The blouse, I said I had one with the tie at the front that is similar to this one from the all. If you guys watch the all, this is the blouse. So I'm going to put this one on it because they are similar. Alright guys, so I basically organized in the best way I can. I need some more hangers to really let it be properly sorted out. So what I did is like around here, like all the styles that I might grab for like every now and then when I'm probably not really wear. So they are around here, and not only that too, this section around here is like long sleeves. So all right here, long sleeves. You see all that? Long sleeves, and a lot of them have three tops on one hanger. I don't know the thing they go already. And I did make sure to like did like a textured same material in line. So the thick cotton them right there. So and then I have like the ones them that I have to wear a jacket with, about 2 of them on hangers, others under them. Then I did like a bit of solid color right here, which it should have been right here. All of the solid color then should be here, so probably me have to go fix that, but not today. Probably I'm gonna get the rest of the sheen tops. And I kind of did a similar style, so like the hands with longest, like not long sleeve but like a midway sleeves. Put the 2 pink tops together. So this, I don't even know me how to do this, because let me tell you that can't fit. So tight. This has the same thing that bleed resembles it underneath it, and this section right here is just all of the color stuff them. I have my vest here, jackets, and all of that. So the closet really itself really want organized better, but I can't do it tonight because I'm tired already, and I have to edit the vlog. Under here is my bag section, but it won't fix up me organize over there. I'm gonna send B up under there, and that's what it is. Down here is where I store all my jeans, like them fall up, some of them untied, you know. So if you look, all jeans down there. I store my PJs in that jar. I'm gonna shoes them underneath. Cause we sent Odian in here, me just stress. Right here is where I keep all my work pants to the rig, like I don't know, see? Right around here, let me see. Me can't open. Oh, let me. Jesus, me can't deal with it right now. So I have a few more laundry here, clean laundry to fold up. I'm gonna fold them up, and I wanted to put out the paint that I'm going to take to school. Put it out at the front. But I'm not sure. I want to carry. Yeah. I'm looking for the paint and put it out from now. Then we can go and relax in the room in here and just chill until I'm ready for drop asleep. Makes sense, not true? Why I think I did have way more paint than this a little bit of white flat paint. This is a white paint over here, but it's for the house. Oh god. I have this one, but this one is what I use in the house. I don't want to take it away. Guys, I honestly thought I had way like a greater portion of the flat white paint than when I actually go see. The other one, which is lotion, it has a lot, but I don't want to take that to use to school because I want to use it around in the house because I had told the landlord and she was the one who bought it for me to touch out everything that the white to them never seem like they never painted properly. The white kind of change color. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. However, if anything, we just try go see where that can reach, and then if anything, we just probably get one of the smaller one them. Yeah, but I don't think I want to try with the lotion one. I'm gonna get the flat one, which is cheaper. Cause it's not the entire class are going to paint in white. At school they have a paint that they have a lot of paint at school that was purchased and donated from Blvd project. But I don't want to have the full blue class again. I think it was blue and yellow. No. So I want to do white and yellow at the back and yellow at the side. I want a bright class. So let's go see how that go do. But guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. This is me preparing for back to school. Do every little thing that I can do. Start out myself. And yeah, this morning I woke up and I like organized. No, well, I'm not organized because in the next room check. I take out all of this stuff that I may have, like all the pencils that I had, everything. I want to see everything that I have to know what I need to order. So that's what I did this morning. If it's in the next room in the chaka bad, but I have a lot of stuff and I went through it and I try to see what I have before I put in an order for what I don't have and what I'm going to need. So yeah, let me show you. I can't help but not showing you guys like oh, so I found that my laptop bag. I have this book with a lot of sticky notes that I have for a long time now, but I can reuse them. I found a brand new duster, a brand new seal pack of index cards, found staplers, I found new pens, new pencils, found that I have paper clips, found this big rubber, markers. I'll go by next side. Find the next box of crayon, one bag of pen, black pen, and next bag of black pen, reading pen, sticky notes, chalk, but I don't use chalk. Found stickers, crayons. I almost put in an order for staples. I find one seal box. The box don't look old, but long time I have it because I always buy them when I go away and just a pile up. So staples, glue stick, yeah. So I found all of those and now I can finish order what I have to order for back to school. So guys, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for Thursday's upload. I'll see you in the next vlog. I don't know what would be for Friday's upload, but between now and tomorrow we'll figure out what is going to upload for Friday. So guys, take care. See you guys in another video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then I'll try to put with the laundry real quick and go to my bed. God knows I'm tired. Later. Bye.
But just a baby, baby.